My dear Muslim brothers and sisters, Allah is most gracious and merciful. He sent Jesus to this world. Jesus fulfilled his job in this world. He answered all your questions 2000 years before. Satan is there for all religion and work against each and everyone. Allah exposed Satan is our enemy. So don't hate others. If Allah doesn't like, it is very easy for him to give punishment to anyone or any country. Good example is coronavirus. Don't believe people because many liars are there. Also we don't know whether they will reach heaven or hell. Better believe Quran, and if you have any hate about people or dispute in your mind, then read Bible to know all Jesus teachings. His teachings are in Mark, Luke, Matthew and John chapters. Otherwise Satan will mislead you easily. We always should remember he cheated Adam. Also read Old Testaments, Isaiah and Daniel chapters in Bible for revelations about Jesus Christ. For your kind information, Jesus himself told that he will deny the person who not doing the will of the God even if they believe Jesus Christ. Allah sent him to this world to clear all your doubts, also made him as a sacrifice for all believers. Accept Jesus and his teachings. Allah accepted him. That's why still now Jesus lives in every country and people from all the nations are giving testimony about him. Search and you will get it. But Satan will stop you in all ways. Be a winner and find the truth. Isaiah prophet prophecy about Jesus, and it was very clear and detailed. John prophecy about Jesus. So Jesus is not only messenger. He able to forgive our sin. That authority is given by the most supreme Allah. You may have question in your mind. Allah done many miracles before Jesus. Then why he sent Jesus to world? I am telling simple scenario to understand this. Your father is in different country and generally he communicating you through mail, that means via postal system. One day he felt to give you mobile and change the communication way to better and more powerful way. Now you have the choice to choose your life. Your enemy next to you don't want to accept this powerful communication because all his bad schemes will be exposed immediately. So you choose wisely. Simple question for you. If you believe Jesus as the prophet, then why you not accept and follow his teachings and words? Why you not read Bible to know his complete teachings? He said by his name whatever you ask that shall be granted. God said he is my most beloved son. Listen to him. Why you hesitate to say his name even Allah permitted? Is that Satan stop you to say his name? Just ask yourself and pray to Allah to get the correct answer. No people will guide you because they have less knowledge. So don't believe anyone. Allah will guide you better way. Believe only Allah and ask in prayer to get the truth. Hello Muslim countries, why you have severe punishment for minor crimes? Did Jesus not told you love your neighbor as yourself? Did Jesus not taught you the prayer forgive us our sins, for we also forgive everyone who sins against us? So it is clear if you not forgive others, then your sin also not forgiven. Did Jesus not told you, for in the same way you judge others, you will be judged? How many people you killed for minor crimes? Allow Bible to your citizens. Minimum allow them to read all Jesus teachings. Don't believe any other countries. Believe only Allah and ask in prayer to get the truth. Hail Jesus Christ.